for the sake of your daughter, because your daughter's watching you.
Okay.
Okay. Is that how you want to act for your daughter? Absolutely
no, I
not.
Want you to
I want you to be quiet. That's what I want you to do.
I want to be.
Everything's being documented. I want you to be quiet. That's what I want you to do. Stand by. I've already talked to you. I'm giving an opportunity to him to talk to him.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Step over there.
He's on here.
Okay. Yeah. That's who we're. Tack there for Leesburg. They're not separating. All right. What's going on?
I just want to leave. I want to be left alone.
Okay.
With my kids. We can file a civil dispute. He can hire an attorney. I can hire an attorney.
Okay. Are you guys going through a divorce or something? Or?
No, we're not going through a divorce. We've never been married. I just want to move on.
Okay. So, do you guys live together?
No, sir.
Okay. So you don't live together. Whose house is this?
I'm not sure, honestly.
Then how did you end up here?
Because this is where my child ended up, and I'm going where my child goes.
How did you... Okay, so...
Because this is where he was placed to be with his friends to watch a fight tonight for the UFC. I'm not sure of any further details.
Okay.
Other than that.
Okay.
I'm a criminal.
I'm never saying you're a criminal.
Yes, sir.
Not saying you're a criminal.
I just want to take my kids and go home. I don't want to deal with this anymore.
Okay.
This is my buddy's house, who we came to stay.
Right.
And she's fucking unhinged. I don't feel safe with her and my kid. She came up. I mean, she's calling the cops. And I'm like, why would you do that? Why you've already called the cops over at our house in Palmore. You're doing it again. She's so.
What's the reason of the argument?
No, nothing. Literally, came here. This is my buddy's house. I said, we're not driving all the way home. No. We're coming here to go to sleep, and she fucking lost it. She says, videotaping me. I'm like, you can videotape me all you want. I was like, I didn't do nothing. My buddy Blake owns this house. He's a UPS driver. He said to drive here.
This is my car that I drive every single day, and I have my children's...
Go ahead, I'm just talking to my dispatch.
Yes, sir. I have my children's
Quebec, Foxtrot Kilo,
from
India 13. Go ahead, you're good.
24/7, our doctor's appointments or hospital appointments. He's a
What's your
special
name?
needs child, Alzheimer's.
Copy. Do you have ID on you?
No.
How did you get here then?
It's in my wallet.
How did you get here?
I rode with him.
Wait, you rode with him, but now you're wanting to leave.
Mm-hmm.
Have y'all been drinking tonight?
I didn't know that there was any problems until we were at the lodge and we were watching this fight that I didn't even know existed.
Gotcha.
I'm a sports fanatic. I don't really care
Okay.
if there's a fight between anybody, so I don't mind sitting there and watching it
Gotcha.
happen. But then as soon as the bartender started to...
Started to what?
I don't even know how to make this, I don't blame him. He's a wonderful, wonderful...
Your kid is calling you.
Yes, I understand.
Oh, okay.
And she always interrupts.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me, I'm talking right now. The constant interruption from the sidebar and the back bar, or whatever they might call it, that has a lot to do with it.
Was it like the bartender hitting on him?
I mean, I don't think that's really a problem. If
Was
the
the bartender
hits on me, it's not really.
So the bartender was flirting with him.
Well, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that there's no crime whenever the bartender flirts with me or if the bartender flirts with him. There's no crime there.
No.
Correct?
No. That's.
So then, what's the problem here?
I don't know. You called us.
I called you because he told me to call you, and then I laid the situation to rest. So I'm just trying to go to rest. You know what I mean?
So whose house is this?
I'm not really sure. This is one of his people. I don't associate with Leesburg.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you mind if I just say hi to your kids real quick?
Yeah, absolutely. In a minute, whenever I'm done talking.
Let me. Once she's done, she'll take care of you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how did you? Okay. So who drove here?
Number one. Thank you.
Yeah, you're good. Absolutely. No worries. I have kids, so. Hey, absolutely. All right, so you guys rode here together.
Here.
Who drove?
He did.
Okay, because obviously you're in no condition to drive.
No, sir, and I know that.
Okay, so he drove, and you're just wanting to leave.
I've documented everything that I want to leave. Okay. I have a place to go.
Okay, so where would you go? Like, where are you going to go once?
Palmore Park. I have my family's living is there except for a king bed.
Do you have anybody that you can come pick you up?
No, I don't need anybody to come pick me up. I'm a 27-year-old woman.
So how are you gonna go? How are you gonna get there when you're in no condition to drive?
I can Uber.
You're gonna Uber with your
people do.
Okay, I was trying to make it easier for you.
Yeah, if you can make it easier on me, then
well, if you think Ubering is gonna be better,
if Ubering is an option, I want the best, safest option for my children.
Okay, yeah, obviously Uber, they are good.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Right. I don't want to.
So if you want to take care of your daughter,
myself.
Yeah, absolutely. So let me go talk to him real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, hang tight.
Can you excuse me?
What's up?
What are you going to talk to him about?
I'm trying to figure out how we can mitigate the situation.
Mitigate? What does that mean?
Meaning, mitigating means to make the situation better. So
we can just lighten up the situation and sweep it under the rug.
Not sweeping under the rug. Mitigating literally means solving a problem.
Okay.
So I'm the mediator.
Yes,
I'm going to be the mediator.
Yes,
meaning
that's what I'm looking for.
So I'm going to mediate or mitigate.
Yes, sir.
But can I get your first name, please?
Yes, sir. Eliza.
All right. Hang tight. Okay. I'll be right back.
Am I allowed to come here and
I would prefer if you...
Oh, I can't document this?
Well, you can just... what I'm asking is, can you just stand over here?
No
That's all I'm
problem.
asking. Okay. It's being...
She pulls her phone out.
Okay. What?
She'll pull her phone out and videotape everything.
Whose house is this?
My buddy Blake. He's a UPS driver.
So why are y'all here?
Because I didn't want to go to my house. He's already been there. She's no longer living with us. Why is she standing there? I don't want her standing there.
She has the right to stand there.
She can stand there.
Stop.
You've been to my house before.
Have I been to your house?
I think you have. Maybe.
Where you live?
Yes.
I've been to a house.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we're no longer together. So.
Okay.
But the thing is, she's saying that.
No, I can't talk to you. I'm probably about to get arrested.
Nope.
You're not being arrested.
Something, because everybody's over here talking shit. So I'll talk my shit back.
You're not getting arrested.
Ma'am, you're not getting arrested.
Okay.
I've already established that with you.
Everybody leave me the f alone and take my kids home. You understand?
Hold on. Wait.
You know what I mean?
Wait.
Like, he needs to leave me alone. Everybody needs to leave me.
Do me a favor.
Yes.
Take it down 3 notches, because I have been nothing but respectful to you this entire time, and you're over here swearing and cussing at me and yelling at me. So what I need you to do, for the sake of your daughter, because your daughter's watching you.
Okay.
Okay. Is that how you want to act in front of your daughter? Absolutely
no, I
not.
Want you to act.
I want you to be quiet. That's what I want you to do.
I want to be.
Everything's being documented. I want you to be quiet. That's what I want you to do. Stand by. I've already talked to you. I'm giving an opportunity to him to talk to him.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sounds good. Yes,
Do me a favor. Just sit on the back of your car.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Liza, I don't want you to be.
No, I need you to. I need you.
The cops.
Look at me.
Reason.
Look at me.
Just talk to her.
Hey,
Yeah.
stop talking to her.
Yeah.
Stop talking to her.
Okay.
You guys are making this way worse. You got a kid right there. You got a kid right there. Okay, that is not how we act in front of our children.
Correct.
Are you calling?
Take my son.
Whoa! Ma'am, you are putting.
Get the fuck out of my way! I'm gonna take my goddamn son.
Stop it, Liza.
I'm gonna take my motherfucking son.
Stop!
I'm gonna take my goddamn son.
Get back!
Have you lost your goddamn mind? Have you lost it, mother?
All right. Hey, stop! Stop! Nope, I lost her.
I can't wait.
I need you to back up. That's what I need you to do. We're 10-4. We're detaining the female right now. Stand by.
Detain the female.
Liza, what the?
I haven't done a thing but try to grab my son while you've been trying to cause shit.
Stop.
I'm not doing shit. Don't fucking touch my son.
Well, you're being arrested right now.
Okay, bro. Oh wow, big fucking deal.
All right, we're gonna have to direct book him.
Is that you?
No, I need you to back up. If
you
not, you're gonna be arrested.
You got it on video, motherfucker.
Back up.
Back it up, motherfucker. Back it up.
All right. Get up.
Back it up. Back it up. Back that shit up.
Stop.
Back it up.
Stop.
Back it up.
Stop. You're making it worse.
I'm not making a mother thing worse. I ain't done a damn fucking thing wrong.
All right.
And you
Well,
know, I am committed a crime.
yeah, you did. You just battered the law enforcement officer.
How?
Yeah.
How's that?
You literally pushed me in my face.
I pushed you?
Yes.
You big motherfucker, I pushed you?
Well, get in the car.
Oh my god.
Get in the car.
Oh my God!
Get in the car. Stop.
Well,
Get in the car.
Stop.
Get in the car.
Can you relax?
No, you need to get in the
I
car.
know that you're hard about having your ass beat because you're a big dude. But calm down.
All right, stop. All right.
Yes, Dad.
Yeah, we're good.
Everything's fine. Thanks.
Everybody's good.
Most he's gotten in a long time.
Elisa is facing a battery charge against a police officer. She posted a $5,000 bond to secure her release and now has legal representation guiding her through the case. She's pleaded not guilty, and on August 26th, both sides sat down for plea negotiations. Here's the part worth watching. A sentencing hearing is already on the calendar for September 2nd. That's usually a strong signal the case is heading toward a plea deal rather than a full trial. Stick around and hit like and subscribe so you catch the next update on how this case plays out.